Hi lovelies, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm just going to be showing you how I do a protective style on a hair that was washed last week. I've just refreshed this hair with T44Z hair food. I applied some on her scalp, and then I also brushed through the hair with Tango Teaser. I'm going to be using Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Age Control. Guys, what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to cut triangle shape.
It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff.
Guys, after I have cut the hair into a triangle shape, I braid the hair all the way to the ends, and then I'm just gonna be repeating the same thing to the rest of the hair.
I've been thinking, 'cause I don't wanna waste my precious time. Always looking for the next best thing. Do it on your own this time around. So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up? Or was I not the one you dreamt of? No, no, 'cause the life we live will never be enough. Why don't you stop for a minute? Just relax yourself. This moment will never come back again. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Asia Kingdom and it's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Asia Kingdom and it's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Asia Kingdom and it's all a bluff. It's all a bluff.
So guys, this is how it looks so far. As you can see, I've done big braids at the bottom of her head, and when I get to the middle of the head, I started doing smaller size because her hair is fine, and I felt like doing smaller will make the hair fuller and nice. As you can see, please don't forget to subscribe. guys, it's all done now. You can just have a look. Come on, let's So I'm just gonna put some beads to spice the style up. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it, and if you have, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and please let me know in the comment section below what you think with the style, and if you have any ideas, please don't forget to put that down as well. So now we're just gonna put beads. Keep watching. Adding beads help the style to pop more, and you will see once I have applied them to all of the braids. This style is very versatile, so you can either wear it up like I'm showing you here, or let it flow down, which is beautiful too.
Bye lovelies, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Peace.